Good morning, friends. I'm excited to spend another day with you today. It is the very first day of our school week, and you've had 2 days of weekend days at home. And remember, our weekend days are Saturday and Sunday. So I'm wondering if you know what day we're starting off on, and if you can think a little bit about what our date might be, considering that on Friday we had the 4th. Our Friday was June the 4th. So we'll go through our calendar and figure that out, but I'm wondering if you can start thinking in your mind, oh, what day is it? We've had 2 days off on the weekend. This is day number 3. If the 4th was on Friday, and there's been 3 days since Friday, I wonder what day it might be today. Anyways, we'll go through the calendar to see if you can figure that out. But we will start off with our would you rather question. So our would you rather question today is, what would you rather? Would you rather eat chocolate cake or lemon pie? So if you had the two to choose from, chocolate cake or lemon pie, which one would you choose? Okay, stop right now, talk to somebody about it around you, and we'll talk about it again on Monday, at Zoom today. Is that close from telling you what day it is today? I gotta zip my lip, and we will start our calendar and figure that out. Okay, the very first month of our year is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November, December. And our days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday's the last day, and now we know them all. Okay, now yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay, I feel like we haven't had a Monday in a really long time because it's had a professional day, and then we had a holiday for Victoria. So this is our first Monday in a while, and I'm excited to be able to spend it with you today. Okay, so let's take a look at our numbers. Here we go. We've got our number 7 here on the Monday. So let's count backwards from 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we've got our number 7. Is our number 7 odd, or is our number 7 even? Our number 7 is odd, isn't it? We've got an odd number. So today is Monday, June the 7th, and then our year is 2021. Our season is spring, but it's coming closer. Remember, the 21st is our first day of summer, and it's sunny and it's warm. Okay, we've got our place value chart. Our number 7 is moved over to our place value chart. There aren't any hundreds in 7, no 10s in 7, but there are 7 1 blocks here in our number 7. Now, our 100 chart, here's our number 7 way up there. And I have a addition equation. And when we're doing an addition equation, we are finding the sum. So we are going to find the sum between these two numbers. So our addition equation is 7 plus 54 is what? Okay, we've got our number 7. That's what we're starting with, and that's our number for today. And we're adding 54. So 54 has how many 10s and how many 1s? 54 has 5 10s and 4 1s. Okay, friends? So let's go back to number 7. We're going to add our 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, when we're adding, our arrow is pointing downwards. And we've got 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And so 7 plus 54 is 61. Let's write that in a different color so that it stands out. 7 plus 54 is 61. We've got our 1, 2, 3, 10 frames, but we don't even need these 10 frames because they don't have any counters on them. Now, if I look at this 10 frame, I can see that half of it is full, so we know that half of 10 is 5. So if I looked at this, I would say 5 plus 2 is 7. So I know that this 10 frame has 7 counters on it. Okay, now I have a little bit more challenging puzzles and math. Well, it's going to be not really a mystery number, but a mystery pattern. So we'll do our mystery pattern second. And this time for our puzzles, I have 2 different puzzles. One's a little bit more difficult than the other. So if you're in grade 1, I would suggest for you to do, and the grade 2s can do this too, but this is mostly grade 1. A grade 1 puzzle is our Star Wars puzzle. So we've got some, oh my goodness, I can't remember the guys from Star Wars, but we've got different pictures of different people. I think we've got R2-D2. We've got these, oh, I can't remember what their names are. And then we've got these 2 here, and I know you guys are gonna end up telling me the characters when we see each other today. But take a look. We need to find what this character is, what's the number connected to them, because this number plus this number, and they're the same number, equals 6. And then we take the number that we find here, bring it down, because this is the same character, and then we want to, in order to figure it out, we need to figure out what this plus this character is to get 8. And we can find that out by minusing this character from 8 to find this. So if you do the opposite, it will help you with the answer. Then you go all the way down to the bottom and figure out what the question mark is. And I know you guys have done a lot of this, which is a lot of fun. And you're really good at it. This one is for grade 2s. Grade 1s, if you would like to do it, you can. This is going to be a bit more difficult because this first question here is, oh my goodness, I want to say, is it Olaf? Olaf plus Olaf equals this reindeer and not Anna, but Anna's sister. I can't remember what her name is. So these 2 equals the same number as these 2. And you're not going to be able to find that out right away. You'll have to wait on this question and answer some of the other questions first before you can go back to that one. So take a look at the questions. Don't do them in order. Which ones can you do first? And then when you find the answers, how can you figure out what the other ones would be? So this is going to take you a little bit. Give yourself some time. If it's too difficult, don't worry, put it away. But if you want something challenging, use this one. It's going to be really fun. Okay, now I also have a pattern for you. I'm trying to get you guys to be able to really use your brains today and kind of think a little bit more and grab all of the things that you've learned all year and try to put it together in a way that is going to get you ready for grade 2 and grade 3, because that's where you're going very, very soon. Okay, I've got a pattern. I would like you to take a look at the pattern and figure out what the next animal will be in the pattern. So I'm going to show you it in a second here. Okay, oops, sorry, I'm putting my finger in front of it. So here's our pattern. Octopus, dolphin, dolphin, seal. Electric eel, octopus, dolphin, dolphin. Now, what would we put here next? What would be the next mammal or animal? Not animal, or these are fish. They're not all mammals, that's right. But what would be the next animal that we would put next to this dolphin if we were going to continue with this, oops, those poor eels, if we were going to continue with this pattern? Okay, friends, you've got some really challenging questions for today. I hope you give yourself some time to be able to think about it before Zoom, but we will talk about it at Zoom as well. So I'm excited to start this day with you today. Today is Monday, June the 7th, 2021, and it's going to be a great day today. See you soon.